if you ever find yourself high and dry on a low tide like this, pretty big low tide, we camped last night, so want to get out there now. Instead of trying to drag this on the sand, which you probably won't, this one anyways, a light tin you probably will, but instead of trying to bust your gut and look like an idiot, just go into the bush, grab some nice little timbers about this long, probably about 50mm diameter, nice and solid, and I'll show you what to do. All right, we've got to find some nice solid round straight ones. Plenty to choose from here. Something like this guy, if he's pretty solid, that'll do the trick. If I can get, I don't know, 4 or 5 of them, laughing. It'll do. All right, I've got a few. This should do, nice and straight, similar in width, diameter I should say. That should get us rolling. They're all pretty solid. Work smarter, not harder, they say. Get us rolling. All right, so probably jam the smallest one in first. As far as you can. Just try to use the nice straight ones first. If you've got a couple that are a bit bent like that, leave them till last. Be a bit annoying. So what you're going to do is have a roll of these down to the water. And the idea is lift it up, jam it on, put as many under as you can to start with. You might be able to do it on your own with your feet or 2 people. And then just drag it and roll it down on these guys straight into the water. All right, so I've got about 6 or so under there. 7, whatever it is. Ready to roll. And the process is, when you push it, as soon as it starts spitting the ones out the back, you replace them at the front and just keep a line going until you get in the water. Sounds easy. A lot easier. Keep it moving. Spat one out the back. So that one goes at the front. Repeat the process until you're in the water. Just keep it going on that roll. There. It's a bit easier with 2 people. But we got 2 people, one's a camera lady. Not as easy as it sounds, but it works. Ready to go. Bit of firewood for later.